This is the 80th Taiku. The 80th, Taiku is an unresolved question, and some of the Taikus have a few questions in one, so it's probably in truth more than the 80th, but it's the 80th time the word Taiku is mentioned in the Babylonian Talmud, according to the book by Rabbi Aaron Yeshua Pessin, who compiled all of the Taikus. And the 80th Taiku in the Babylonian Talmud, according to that book, is in Ketubot, Ksubis, some people say, Ketubot 80a. Starting at the bottom of 79b with the Mishnah, and then the Gemara, and then the Taiku will be on the top line of 80a. The Mishnah says, the Mishnah says, with regard to one who pays expenditures for his wife's property in an effort to improve it, if he paid a large amount in expenditures and ate only a small amount of produce before he divorced her, or if he paid a small amount in expenditures and ate a large quantity of produce, that which he has spent, and that which he ate, he has eaten. Therefore, none of it need be returned. However, if he paid expenditures for the property and did not eat any part of it, he takes an oath with regard to how much he paid, and then takes his expenditures. And the Gemara starts off at the bottom there, 79b. V'chama kima, Rabbi Asi afilu grogeres achas vehu she'achla derech kavod. The Gemara asked, and how much is a small amount? Rabbi Asi said, it is even one dried fig, provided he ate it in a dignified manner befitting the owner of the produce and did not eat it by snatching the produce. Amar Rabbi Abba, Amri Beirav, Afilu Shigra Ditamri. Rabbi Abba, Amri Beirav, top of 88 now. Even if he ate, Rabbi Abba, it was said by Rabbi Abba that in the school of Rav they say, it is even a cluster of dates stuck together. Okay, Boy Rav Bivi Chuvtza Ditamri Mai Taiku. Rav Bivi asks, if one ate dough made of dates, what is the halacha? Is it considered dignified consumption? The Gemara concludes, the question shall stand unresolved. Taiku, this is the 80th Taiku, and the new new feature maybe, or the new thing is that I can reference the PL89 if it's replicable. And today it's applicable because the 80th Taiku, it's fascinating that it appears on page 80. That's really interesting. I have this particular fascination for things that line up on the same thing. So we've had Taikus. The first one was on page 8, Daf Ches. It's really the 7th page, but it's Daf Ches, page number 8, and so forth. They've, from what I remember, they have never matched until 80, and that's interesting. But on the 80th Daf, where it matches, today is the 14th of Elul, and we came to this idea of the 14. But so the 40th, the 80th rather, Taiku is on the 14th Elul, and what I was pointing to was number 14. Now in Atbash Gematria, which means the substitution of Aleph for Tav, Bet for Shin, the word Tamar, which means date, equals 14. So that's another feature of the Gematriac thought calendar where something lines up, where the 80th Taiku is about dates. The word for date in Atbash equals 14, And on the PLAD9 calendar, it's box number 14. And so that's the connection between Chuv Tzad Tamri being the 80th Taiku and 14, which is Tamar in Anpash Gematria.